Hi folks, Dr. Miller with you, welcoming you to BA325, New Venture Creation here at Upper Iowa University, part of our entrepreneurial curriculum. Purpose of this brief video is to just review the course syllabus and talk about the course objectives, the learning objectives, and what's expected of students. This course applies entrepreneurship principles to identify opportunities for new ventures in the marketplace. Objectives include describing key concepts related to organizing and financing a new startup, comparing and contrasting the attractiveness of different market segments, explaining the role of creativity and innovation in new venture creation, presenting the key requirements for a sustainable business model, and analyzing scenarios for ethical and social responsibilities. I relate to this as a fellow entrepreneur. Let's see. Our textbook is Launching New Ventures, an Entrepreneurial Approach, 7th edition, offered by Cengage Learning. I have a course mascot here, Nacho, on my lap, as usual. Let's see. In terms of course requirements and grading criteria, I'm reading from the syllabus as I talk to you. Students should introduce themselves in the first discussion forum. In terms of discussion and participation, it's very specific. Discussions provide an active learning environment for you and your peers to master the content in the course. Discussion forums are our virtual classroom. Discussions are a must in an online course for students. And there are two parts for a discussion: initial response to the discussion question and your participation. Please note that unless you respond, you may not be able to see other students' responses from your peers to participate. The minimum participation requirement is 4 of each 7 days per week. Participation does not include your initial response. It means to actively engage by substantially contributing or responding to your peers' discussion posts in all weekly discussion threads. Each week there'll be 2 discussion questions for you to contribute to. Discussion question 1 and discussion question 2 are due by day 3 of each week, that's Wednesday. The discussion questions draw upon textbook reading and your own research. Summarize your response in your own words. Please respond to the discussion questions with an informative paragraph, written in full sentences, and add references when appropriate. You'll notice that our assignments include short answer assignments, case studies, quizzes, and final assessment. In terms of short answer assignments, there are 8 short answer assignments, 1 for each week. There are 8 case study assignments. These assignments focus on helping you to build critical thinking and analytical skills. There are 4 quizzes in the course. And the final assessment is a research project due on day 5 of the final week of the course. Detailed instructions for completing the final assessment are provided in the course. All research papers and final projects must be written using APA style. Please note the use of Turnitin, a plagiarism detection software in the course. It's an educational tool for evaluating and improving your writing skills. The software will find matching text and provide the percentage of similarity with other sources based on website search, student papers, articles, journals, periodicals, and gradebook and books. I encourage you to read the syllabus very thoroughly, noting the grading criteria that runs from page 4 to page 5. Student introductions are worth 25 points. Initial response to discussion questions is worth 160 points. Your participation is the largest part of the course grade at 260 points. Each of the 8 case studies is worth 20 points for a total of 160 points. 8 short answer assignments, each worth 20 points for 160 points. The 4 quizzes at 20 points each are worth 80 points. The final assessment at 155 points totals to 1,000 points. And please note the grading scale in the course on page 5. As well, in the course, note the course schedule is very specifically laid out week by week, and it should help you stay on track, showing the week, the topic of study, the activities, the assessments, and the due dates. I hope this brief review has helped you substantially to do well in our course. Welcome again, Dr. Miller here. Looking forward to working with each of you.